To access CareBooster, use the Functions menu, go to Plan and select CareBooster. Then select the date you'd like to create a route for. On the left-hand side, you'll need to select both the visits and the staff members you'd like to allocate the visits to. Once selected, click Boost and CareBooster will then create the most efficient and time-saving route for your staff members. Once created, you should then be able to see the planned journey for your selected staff and the allocated visits. Clicking and using the filter button functionality next to the visits gives you the option of filtering by visit times, visit types, whether a call is allocated, and the number of hands needed for a visit. When you have finished planning all your routes, click Confirm, and CareBooster will have efficiently allocated your visits to staff members for that day.